Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to insert multiple lines in spreadsheet Google Sheet. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. It's a little difficult. It's a little tricky to add multiple lines in Google spreadsheet. You can add a single row. Click insert row above or below like this. You can also click here, click here and click insert row. And if you want to insert multiple rows, you can select here rows and now click on the row from where you want to add rows. Click and you can see here insert 3 row above or insert 3 row below. I want to insert 3 rows above. You can see. Good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Share the channel and like the video.